Well, recovery mode is a no-go. I'm guessing it actually exists as a partition on the internal solid-state drive that it came with. So, fresh install! Go Windows, go! Did you see that? Yeah. I think it's mirrored again, but 60%. We're installing Windows, and then we're hoping the computer is allowed to pick up the license from the hardware. I don't want to pay for another copy of the Windows. So, yeah, we'll see. If I do have to go down that route, I would rather pay for a cloner and clone the existing device, because I don't really need a cloner. I just need a USB enclosure for an M.2 drive. That I want to get one of those anyway to use the old 500 gig SSD as just an external. So, we'll see what happens here, though. It did just say it was 1,907 gigs in the Windows thing. So, like, Windows sees it appropriately, which is great. And I guess we're done already? Because it's fast. I'm going to push the restart button. I've honestly never seen Windows install that quickly. Bootloader. Ooh, I can see the reflection. Maybe you can see my reflection. But I can line it up. I didn't even put the case screws back on. I don't know if you can see the little screws there. Also, because all YouTubers need a knife, this is my knife, or one of many. I just collect Leatherman because Leatherman are sweet. This one currently has some cheese encrusted in it from, you know, crackers and cheese earlier. Gotta use your knife appropriately. Also opening packaging. And this thing is sweet, although hard to use with one hand, although they just made a new version that is easy to use with one hand, but also has pliers. I was even using the wire strippers on there recently. And the other package I got today was Microsoft's wireless display adapter version 2, which is pretty sweet, and is currently doing that right now. And I was given a Portal TV recently, too. And you'll notice there are Vive sensors up on the wall, and my ingenious mounting method for that. And this sweet picture that my old roommate gave me, that's not that exciting. But I do own a lot of tech, and I should do videos about the various tech. Like this new monitor, too, the BenQ something or other, 144 hertz, 1440p something. I don't know the exact model number of that. Oh, yeah, so this laptop is a Razer Blade Stealth, 13-inch, with the GTX 1650. And the 4K touchscreen, because why not? Go big. So yeah, it's the total top-end 13-inch Razer Blade, the late 2019 version. And the reason I went for it is because it has, it's like the only 13-inch laptop with a legitimate discrete GPU in it. There's a few with, like, you know, GPUs like the MX150, but this has like an actual GPU in it. Not like it's the total top end. It's not like the 1080 that exists in this tower. The 1080 hybrid that's hanging out the side of this tower. That's so bad. No, shut up, Cortana. Go away and die. Mute. Mute. Make it stop. Cool. Okay. Yeah, good times with Cortana. I work in IT. I hear that noise a lot. It's... Hi, Leo. Yeah? Yeah? How's that arm taste? Is it good? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Look at me, Leo. Leo? Nope. Leo is interested in food. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I gotta set up Windows now. We'll see how it goes. Bye.